Hi, my name's Hector. I'm a booster expert here at Best Buy, and today we're looking at the Fitbit Sense 2 smartwatch. I'm excited to unbox it on Best Buy's Unboxed, so let's go ahead and get into it. Take the top right off, and you can see that we've got the black color. So nice to have something that can go with multiple outfits or color tones. You've got the smartwatch itself. You've got your USB charging cable on the right side, and then an extra wristband. So you've got a small and a large. And then you got your quick start guide right there as well. So just grabbing the watch. You actually have an OLED display on this watch, so it's nice, vibrant, as well as the kind of clean aesthetic and the round edges. You've got a single button on the watch. Most of the interface is actually used through touch, so swiping, checking your stats and your progress on the watch. And all of the sensors are built either into this right underneath the screen or on the back side. This is the temperature sensor, and so there's really 4 integral parts of this watch that kind of help you keep track of your body. You've got your sleep, your stress, your heart health, as well as your fitness. So with stress, you've got that temperature sensor to kind of track your body and see how it responds to stress throughout the day. And you can get a guide, reflect on your stress, and kind of improve throughout as you progress. You've got sleep tracking, so you can check your hours, see what your average sleeping is, as well as get patterns on what kind of stages of sleep you're in throughout the night. And then the final feature is fitness. So you've got 40 plus different exercise modes. So whether you're swimming, jogging, dancing, you've got all types of exercises that you can keep track of. You've also got up to 6-day plus battery life, so almost a week. It's nice to not have to charge this constantly. You're able to wear it all day and night. And when you do have to charge it, you can spend about 12 minutes getting ready, brushing your teeth for bed, whatever it may be. And the third feature that I really like about this watch is the Handsfree Technology. So you've got a built-in voice assistant. You can get your text messages read out aloud. Got notifications, reminders, set alarms, and even control your smart home devices all through the watch. All of this data, all of these stats, all this progress that's getting tracked for your body and your overall mental health as well gets thrown into the Fitbit app. So you can actually see your daily day-to-day activity as well as your overall averages throughout the month. So whether that's seeing your sleep, that then you can tie into your stress. Maybe you're stressed because you didn't get enough sleep that night. Maybe that has a lot to do with your heart rate. Maybe you haven't been working out as often. All of these 4 integral parts of this watch bring it all together to make it the Fitbit Sense 2. My name's Hector. I'm a booster expert here at Best Buy. And thank you for unboxing the Fitbit Sense 2 smartwatch with me on Best Buy's Unboxed. I'll see you next time.